Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add or visible border to a circle using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file and I will add border to this circle. First select this tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this comment option. Now click on this circle and select. Now click right button and select your properties option and see this circle border option showing here no border appearance. Select here border. Here I will select solid border and see this, and border thickness increase and see this circle border not showing. Now you can change here circle border color also and see this and select OK. And also you can redraw a circle and see this and click right button for properties and select here in border and increase and see this. In this way you can show or visible your circle outline border. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.